Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about previous year question papers and their answer and also rationale for other options. Best of luck for your upcoming exams and also NIMANS. The first question is the vaginal pH in reproductive period is reproductive period is 11 to 45 years. In that period pH level is correct option is B 4 to 5. Correct option is B 4 to 5. pH level below the 4 and above the 5 is not suitable for pregnancy. Below the 4 to above the 5 is not suitable for pregnancy, will not reproduction occur. Question number 2, lifespan of RBC is, this is a direct question, lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Right answer is D 120 days. Question number 3, the strongest and largest bone of the face is, right answer is option C, mandible, because maxilla is a small bone of the face, frontal bone and occipital bone is skull bones. Question number 4, which of these nerves passes through the foramen magnum? The right answer is C, accessory nerves, which is 11th nerves. Accessory nerve, 11th nerve passes through the foramen magnum. Other nerves, spinal nerve, vagus nerve, hypoglossal nerves not passes through the foramen magnum. Only accessory nerves passes through the foramen magnum. Question number 5, the epithelial tissue which lines the urinary bladder. Correct option is D, transitional. Other options, columnar epithelium present in the ciliated tissue like bronchi, uterine tubes and uterus. Stratified epithelium present in the non-ciliated organ like digestive tract and bladder. Squamous cell epithelium present in the pericardium, pleura and peritoneal cavity. Question number 6, which hormone is essential for milk production? Right answer is prolactin. The prolactin hormone is essential for milk production. Other options, the thyroid hormone is related to the metabolism. ADH hormones means antidiuretic hormone is related to the urine production. Oxytocin is related to the milk ejection and milk letdown reflex. Question number 7, in following which is not a function of the insulin? This is direct question, which is not a function of the insulin? The right answer is B, gluconeogenesis, which means production or synthesis of the sugar, glycogen into the glucose. So right answer is B, gluconeogenesis. This is not a function of the insulin. Other options, decreasing glycogenolysis and glycogenesis are function of the insulin. Question number 8, sperms are produced by seminiferous tubules. Right option is seminiferous tubules. Other options, prostate is not related to the sperm production, epididymis is not related to the sperm production and penis is not related to the sperm's production. Question number 9, which structure is eye is helpful in changing the thickness of the lens? Right answer is C, ciliary body. The ciliary body is directly related to the changing the thickness of the lens. Other options, sclera is the outer white layer of the eye. Cornea is the transparent part of the eye. It covers the pupil. Iris is related to the pupil size, eye color, and how much amount light radiating into the retina. Iris is related to the pupil size, eye color, and how much light radiating into the retina. Question number 10. The second sound hard sound dub is heard due to. The second hard sound dub is heard due to because of. Right option is B. Closure of the aortic and pulmonary valves. Closure of the aortic and pulmonary valves. First option is wrong. Opening of the aortic and pulmonary valve. Both lub and dub sound of closure of the valves, and the first sound is lub sound is closure of the atrioventricular valves. Option D is related to the first sound. The option D related to the first sound, closure of the atrioventricular valves. Question number 11. The organism responsible for filaria. The organism responsible for filaria. Correct option is C. Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti. The others organism, option A, Endemoeba histolytica is related to the amoebiasis. Option B, Anopheles mosquito is related to the malaria. Option D, Taenia sanguinata is related to the teniasis. It's a tapeworm. Question number 12. The poliovirus enters into the body by. The poliovirus enters into the body by ingestion through oral route, through food and water. The right answer is A. Ingestion through food and water. Other options, option B, sexual contact and inoculation is not related to the poliovirus infection. Question number 13. Complete destruction of the all microorganism is affected by the use of disinfectant. Right option is disinfectant. Option C, disinfectant. Others are not related to the killing of all microorganism. Antiseptic is prevent microorganism growth. Sterilant is prevent growth of the microorganism. Detergent is not used to killing all organisms. Question number 14. In following which is gram positive bacilli? In following which is a gram positive bacilli? Right option is A, Corynebacterium. Corynebacterium is a gram positive bacilli, whereas others Proteus, Pseudomonas and E. coli is gram negative bacilli. Question number 15. Endoscope is sterilized by. Right option is 2% glutaraldehyde or Sidex. Right option is D, 2% glutaraldehyde or Sidex. Others autoclaving UV rays, 2% phenol is not used to endoscope sterilization because it's having plastic and camera. Question number 16. Smith test is used to detect. Smith test is used to detect. Right option is A, bile pigment. Whereas hair test is used to bile salt. Hair test is used to bile salt. Question number 17. The term gavage indicates. The term gavage is right option is A, administration of the liquid feeding into the stomach. Administration of the liquid feeding into the stomach. Option B is visual examination of the stomach is endoscopy. Option C is in irrigation of the stomach with solution is lavage. A surgical opening through the abdomen to the stomach is colostomy. Question number 18. Prolonged suctioning of the tracheostomy may cause. Prolonged suctioning of the tracheostomy may cause. Right answer is B, hypoxia and cardiac arrest. Hypoxia and that leads to cardiac arrest. Option number A, myocarditis and endocarditis is not related to the tracheostomy suctioning. Nausea, vomiting, anorexia is not related to the tracheostomy suctioning. Tracheostomy suctioning usually doing up to 10 seconds, not more than 10 seconds. So prolonged suctioning of the tracheostomy may cause hypoxia and cardiac arrest. Hypoxia means low oxygen level in tissues, low level oxygen in tissues. Question number 19. In hospital, non-infectious waste should be discarded in hospital, non-infectious waste should be discarded in right answer is C, black color bag. So others, red color, blue color, yellow color bags are used to infectious waste. Red color is mostly used to plastic items, blue color used to sharp items, yellow color used to contaminated tissues and blood bag cover. Question number 20. Low level of oxygen in the blood is known as question number 20. Low level oxygen in the blood in known as right answer is D, hypoxemia. So cyanosis is a bluish discoloration of the body. Anoxemia is absence of oxygen in the blood. Hypoxia is low level oxygen in the tissue. Question number 21. Hyperpyrexia is a direct question. Hyperpyrexia is correct option is B, 105 degree Fahrenheit. 105 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 22. Infusion of the 500 ml normal saline over 6 hours requires how many drops per minute when drop factor is 15 drops per minute? Right answer is 21 drops. Right option is 21 drops per minute. If anyone knows the how to calculate, please tell me in comment. Question number 23. Color of nitrous oxide is right option is B, French blue. Red color is used to the hydrogen. Red color cylinder used to the hydrogen, and black and white shoulder used to the oxygen. Black color cylinder used to the nitrogen. Red color cylinder used to the hydrogen gas. Black and white shoulders used to the oxygen. Black color cylinder used to the nitrogen gas. Question number 24. A Foley's catheter operates by the principle of this is direct question. Foley's catheter operates by the principle of gravity. Right option is C, gravity. The gravitational force, the Foley's catheter operates by the principle. The best example of osmosis is the dialysis. Diffusion is nothing but is infiltration of the fluid into the tissue. Question number 25. Ringer lactate is contraindicated in. Correct option is B, lactic acidosis, because already acidosis is present. If he is giving more lactate, it will increase the acidosis, so that ringer lactate is contraindicated in lactic acidosis. In diarrhea, burns, hypovolemia, ringer lactate is indicated to administration. Question number 26. Gradual decrease of the body's temperature is known as question number 26. Right answer is B, algar mortis. Livor mortis is bluish discoloration of the body or pooling of blood into the body after postmortem. It will occur 2 to 4 hours, starts in 30 minutes after postmortem. Rigor mortis is stiffening of the body it will occur 2 to 6 hours. It will occur 2 to 6 hours. It will completed into the 6 to 12 hours. It will completed into the 6 to 12 hours. Question number 27. Atropine sulfate act as D. Right option is D, mydriatics. Right option is mydriatics. Means vasodilatation. It's not, atropine is not antihypertensive agent. It's not an anticonvulsant agent. It's not a miotic drugs, means vasoconstrictive drug. Question number 28. During hemodialysis, which of the following drug used to prevent blood clotting? During hemodialysis, which of the following drug is used to prevent blood clotting? It's a very typical question. More frequently they are asking these questions. Which of the following drug used to prevent blood clotting in hemodialysis? Right answer is B, heparin. The protamine is not used in hemodialysis. Warfarin, aspirin is not used in hemodialysis. Question number 29. Which of the following is not excreted in breast milk? This is typical questions. It's a direct question also. Right option is C, iron. Which prostaglandin helps in cervical ripening? So prostaglandin E2. Right option is B. Prostaglandin PGE2 is helps in cervical ripening. Question number 30.